OpenAI has launched ChatGPT 4 long output feature. So what they are doing is they are offering output with 64,000 tokens, which is quite a long text. Hey everyone, welcome to our AI news roundup. Today we are going to discuss something new which has happened recently regarding artificial intelligence. First of all, we are going to discuss OpenAI. OpenAI has launched advanced AI voice feature. So that means if you are the few ones which they have offered that feature, that means you're going to see a voice search in your ChatGPT application, and you can have conversation in natural language with ChatGPT. And the best part is you can interrupt the AI while response as well. So that means it's a kind of human-like behavior with AI now that ChatGPT is offering. Next, OpenAI has launched ChatGPT 4 long output feature. Of course, that is also limited to API users, and few of them are going to see that feature right now. So what they are doing is they are offering output with 64,000 tokens, which is quite a long text. That is what OpenAI has done in the previous. There is one twist that has caught our attention in the previous week. Microsoft, which has 49% of OpenAI shares. So they are saying that OpenAI is their competitor in AI offerings and news and advertising feature. So that is what Microsoft is saying. We have nothing to say about that. Google has also made it to the news with the launch of Gemini 1.5. So the big deal in that model is that it has topped the leaderboard, beating the heavyweights like ChatGPT 4 and Claude 3.5. Google has been busy with the Chrome as well. They have introduced three main features. First one, they have introduced Google Lens in the Chrome. So that means you can search with the images within the Chrome as well. The next thing is product comparison. So now you can compare the products automatically between the tabs as well. Natural language search history. So that means you can have conversation with the Chrome and you can search between your history. So that is another feature that Google has introduced in the Chrome. Meta has also been shaking things, and do you remember that celebrity-inspired AI chatbots? They are gone now. So Meta has replaced them with custom AI characters, which seems to be more interesting than before. So now you can create your own AI character, and that seems like a step toward personalized AI assistant. So that's all for the AI news for this week. What do you think about these developments? Do let us know in the comment section. Subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can have more updates regarding AI with us. Thank you so much.